Hello, I'm Sarah. I just Windexed my laptop and I'm going to show you some stuff that's important. Those are my sisters drawing awkwardly in the corner. They're drawing awkwardly in the corner. Yep, sorry. Say hello.
Hello.
Is this not awkward? Is it just like less awkward to just say hello?
Hello.
Hello.
Come on, Chloe, your turn. Come on, Chloe. Come on.
Chloe Bear. Chloe Bear. Chloe Bear. It's okay, it's fine. I'll just go to Mama snoring.
Oh, did she quit?
Nope, she's still snoring.
Do not take my pictures.
How do you
I
do
will
that?
haunt you.
You're like a ninja. How did she do that? She's like me. Did you see that? Dead asleep from a dead